Let's get started. Question 1. The answer is an elephant. An elephant trumpets. Question 2. The answer is a cat. A cat meows. Question 3. The answer is a dog. A dog barks. Question 4. The answer is a horse. A horse neighs. Question 5. The answer is a chicken. A chicken clucks. Question 6. The answer is a snake. A snake hisses. Question 7. The answer is a bird. A bird chirps. Question 8. The answer is a sheep. A sheep boss. Question 9. The answer is a bee. A bee buzzes. Question 10. The answer is a seagull. A seagull squawks. Question 11. The answer is a mosquito. A mosquito whines. Question 12. The answer is a goose. A goose honks. Great job, animal sound detectives! You guessed so well! Applause for you! Part 2. Get ready for more fun! We're going to guess 12 different animal sounds from all sorts of creatures. Are you excited? Good luck and let's go! Question 1. The answer is a cow. A cow moos. Question 2. The answer is a tiger. A tiger growls. Question 3. The answer is a pig. A pig oinks. Question 4. The answer is a penguin. A penguin brays. Question 5. The answer is a rat. A rat squeaks. Question 6. The answer is a raven. A raven croaks. Question 7. The answer is a sea lion. A sea lion barks. Question 8. The answer is a peacock. A peacock calls. Question 9. The answer is a wolf. A wolf howls. Question 10. The answer is a beetle. A beetle squeaks. Question 11. The answer is a camel. A camel growls. Question 12. The answer is a cricket. A cricket chirps. Whoa! Great job, animal sound detectives! You guessed so well! Applause for you! Welcome to the final part! Get ready for the last set of challenges as we guess sounds from a variety of animals. Are you up for the grand finale? Well, let's make it a memorable one. Question 1. The answer is a baby penguin. A baby penguin honks. Question 2. The answer is a turkey. A turkey gobbles. Question 3. The answer is a hawk. A hawk screeches. Question 4. The answer is a quail. A quail calls. Question 5. The answer is an orangutan. An orangutan makes low, throaty calls. Question 6. The answer is a coyote. A coyote howls. Question 7. The answer is a gibbon. A gibbon hoots. Question 8. The answer is a cicada. A cicada buzzes. Question 9. The answer is a sea slug. A sea slug crawls. Question 10. The answer is a falcon. A falcon flaps its wings. Question 11. The answer is a scorpion. A scorpion's tail rustles softly. Last question. The answer is a goat. A goat bleats. Great job, animal sound detectives! You guessed so well! Applause for you! That's all for today. See you in my next video, my friend. I'm Gigi Little Laughs.